Lesson 10, VLOOKUP. Now we have some sample data for us to work with here. We have our ID, our full name, and our city. The ID is a unique identifier for these specific individuals listed in column B and the associated city they live in. Now let's say the question is, who is ID 102 and what city do they live in? Now we can use our VLOOKUP function to find that out. We're going to do that by doing equal sign, typing VLOOKUP. The first question is, what is our lookup value? So what do we want to look up? Which is, in our case, ID 102, right? So that's A10. The second question is, where do you want to look for it? Our answer is, well, we want to look for it in our table, right? So A1 to C6, which includes our entire data set, and then comma. The third question is, what's the column in the range that you want to return? So pretty much we want to, in this case, return the full name. The way this works is the numbers are going to be associated with the letters. So column A would be 1, column B would be 2. And this will make more sense as I go into city and do VLOOKUP for that as well. The last function it's asking us is, do we want an approximate or exact match? In my case, I want an exact match, so I'll go ahead and click false or just type out false and I'll close that bracket out. That's great because it's now returning for us ID 102 full name, which is Jake Doe. Now let's do the same thing we just did, but now we want to get the city that Jake Doe is in. So again, VLOOKUP, same thing. Our lookup value is 102. Again, same thing here. Our table arrays our entire data set. This is where it's going to change a little bit. Last time we put the number 2 here because we were wanting column B, which is full name. In this case, we want column C. So A being 1, 2 being B, and 3 being C. We're going to put 3. And then again, this will remain constant with false. And there we go. This gives us our return, which is Jake Doe being in Austin. And I'm going to actually show you guys again what that formula looks like for you guys to take a quick snippet.